Hello, my dear students. Welcome to everybody on the behalf of Munshiganj Shodor Online Primary School. I am Didar Hussain with you, acting head teacher, Purvarakhi Government Primary School. Today, I am coming back again with another topics. This is the topics of class 5. Now I would like to introduce the lesson. Class 5, unit 17, lesson title Sport, page number 68. Let's start our tutorial today. Do you like to watch some pictures? I hope everybody enjoy watching pictures. So I would like to show you some pictures. Everybody look at the screen. What can you see in the pictures? Now you think yourself. First picture, it is a picture of various kinds of sports. First pictures, some people are playing kabaddi. Second, cycling. Third, weightlifting. Fourth, badminton. And next, volleyball. Then cricket and swimming and football. What are the pictures of this? These are the pictures of various kinds of sports. So you can really guess what I would like to say today. Now you see another pictures. It is a picture of flag, but it is not a picture of any country's national flag. It is a different flag. Have you ever seen this flag anywhere? Can anyone say? I think you watch this flag on television. It is a special flag. There are 5 rings and 5 circles on the flag, and the flag color is white. Can you understand what the symbolizing meaning of these 5 rings? 5 rings means 5 countries. When Olympic Games was held in Greece 1896, only 5 countries participate in the competition, first Olympic Games. So these colors of the circle has taken from that 5 countries, and another full color is white, and all rings are united together. That means it is the symbolic meaning of the unity among the nations, one country to another country. So now we can easily understand this flag is made for Olympic Games. Here is the flag of Olympics. Today I will discuss about Olympic Games. Today our lesson already you have known sport. So students, everybody open page 68. Before going to our text, I would give a short description about some new words. You see here some new words. First word, competition. That means contest, to compete each other. When you want to win a game or a match, then we have to make contest to each other participant. This is called competition. Another, athletes who participates in the game. There are about 13,100 athletes participate or compete in the Olympic Games. Every candidate is called athlete. Another, modern, recent, newly. This is called modern. Update. Host. Host means a country hosting a special event. Host means who arrange the events, who arrange the games or any kinds of events or any international sports competition, or who invite you, he is called host. Different, various kinds of differ from each other, the not similar is called differ. Okay, now everybody take your exercise book, put your finger on the text and listen the video and audio together. Everybody listen very carefully.
Listen and read.
You can see the 5 rings of Olympic flags and sports symboling. Now start reading and listen very carefully.
The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations send a total of about 13,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896, and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then.
Thank you, students. For your better understanding, I repeat this test again. I am reading. Now we listen attentively. The Olympic Games is the biggest sport competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations send a total of about 13,000 athletes to compete in more than 3 different sports. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1986, and there have been 31 Olympics competitions since then. I would like to give some more information about Olympic Games. Do you know who is the founder of this Olympic Games? He is a Frenchman. His name is Pierre de Coubertin. Coubertin is a Frenchman. He is the founder of modern Olympic Games. Now everybody read the phrases yourself, and I will give some activity, and you know already what I would like to say. I will give you some statements. If the statement is true, you will write T. If the statement is false, you will write false. This is called true false. You are habited of this exercise. Okay. Now first one, the modern Olympic Games started 3,000 years ago. Is it true or false? Second, the modern Olympics are held in same host city. 3. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896. 4. More than 20 different sports are held in Olympic Games. 5. More than 200 countries participate in Olympic Games. 6. The Olympic Games are held every 5 years. Okay, now you think and try to understand which statement is true or which statement is false. Now match the answer with me. Number 1, true. The Olympic modern games started 3,000 years ago. It's true. T. 2. The modern Olympic Games are held in same host city. It's false. It's not true because it holds different countries every 4 years. Next, the modern Olympic Games started in 1896. It's true. 4. More than 20 different sports are held in Olympic Games. It's false. You know, 30 countries. 31 events. More than 205 countries participate in Olympic Games. It's true. Number 6 and last, the Olympics are held every 5 years. It is also false because we know after 4 years, every 4 years, Olympic Games are held. Now another activity for you, you will get 5 minutes here. Write true or false. Again, read the text carefully and try to find out your answer in the gap. There is a 5 gaps for you. The Olympic Games is the world biggest dash competition. Okay, now the answer. The Olympic Games is world biggest sport competition. Gap was sports. Second, more than 200 countries dash in the competition. More than 200 countries participate in the competition. Number 3, there are more than 30 dash in the Olympics. Dash 30 events. You know, there are more than 30 events in the Olympics. 4, the first Olympic Games were held in Greece. Last and final, fill in the gap. The dashed Olympic Games started in 1896. The dashed Olympic Games. Which word will be the gap? Yes, you are absolutely right. Modern. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896. Okay, now I will give ask an question and answer. It is a very important part of a synthesis. It contains about 12 marks or 10 marks. It's a very important for the students of class 5. So you will get here 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, you will read the text again carefully and try to find out the answer of the following questions. Question number 1, how often are the Olympics held? Number 2, how many countries compete in the Olympics? Number 3, who is the father of modern Olympic Games? Number 4, when did the first Olympics start? Number 5, where were the modern Olympic Games held? Number 6, how many athletes compete in the Olympics? Okay, students, try to find out the answer in the text. I can help you and I will give your answer to match with your answer. Now try to match your answer. First question, how often are the Olympics held? The answer, the Olympics are held every 4 years. Second question, how many countries compete in the Olympics? My answer is, there are more than 200 countries compete in the Olympics. I think you agree with me. Third, who is the father of modern Olympic Games? Already you know, Baron Pierre de Coubertin, his nickname Coubertin. Baron Pierre de Coubertin is the father of modern Olympic Games. In the previously I discussed about the Baron Pierre de Coubertin. He is a Frenchman. He is the father of modern Olympic Games. 4 question number, when did first Olympics starts? Answer is, the first Olympic started in 1896, which was held in Greece, you know already. Number 5, where were the modern Olympic Games held? The modern Olympic Games were held in Greece about 3000 years ago, you know. Last and final question, how many athletes compete in the Olympics? There are a total of 13,000 athletes compete in the Olympics. Thank you very much, students, to participate actively in this session. I hope you have enjoyed this class very much. Now a simple home task for you. Everybody take your khata with your pen and take down note this sentence. Write at least 5 sentences about your favorite games. You have many favorite games. Someone like cricket, someone like football, or someone like volleyball, or someone like badminton. You just write about 5 sentences about your favorite game. I think you will be able to write at least 5 sentences easily. Thank you very much to stay with me in this video class. See you again. Bye bye. Have a nice time with your family. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.